From the smallest transistor to the most complex integrated circuit, we'll unravel the mysteries that lie at the heart of these incredible devices. Imagine a world without computers. It would be a vastly different place, devoid of the technological marvels that have become an integral part of our daily lives. From the smartphones in our pockets to the powerful servers that power the internet, computer hardware is the backbone of our digital age. Without these incredible machines, our lives would be drastically different, lacking the convenience, connectivity, and efficiency that we've come to rely upon. Can you picture a world without instant communication, online shopping, or streaming entertainment? It's almost unimaginable in today's digital landscape. Welcome to AI Tech Underground. We're always exploring cutting-edge technology. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you do not miss a single exciting tech video. But have you ever stopped to wonder how these incredible devices actually function? What lies beneath the sleek exteriors and glowing screens? That's precisely what we'll be uncovering in this captivating exploration. We'll delve into the intricate details, demystifying the complex processes that occur within these machines, and revealing the ingenious engineering that makes it all possible. From the intricate pathways of data flow to the intricate choreography of electrical signals, we'll uncover the secrets that make these machines truly remarkable. Brace yourselves as we dive headfirst into the realm of computer hardware, where every component plays a crucial role in bringing these machines to life. We'll start by unraveling the mysteries of the Central Processing Unit, or CPU, the brain of the computer, responsible for executing instructions and performing calculations at lightning-fast speeds. But the CPU is more than just a number-crunching powerhouse. It's a marvel of engineering, with intricate architectures and advanced technologies that enable it to process data with incredible efficiency. We'll explore the latest innovations in CPU design, from multi-core processing to advanced instruction sets, and uncover the secrets that make these chips so powerful. But the CPU is just one piece of the puzzle. We'll also delve into the intricate world of memory, exploring the different types of RAM and how they facilitate the seamless flow of data, enabling your computer to multitask and handle even the most demanding applications with ease. From the lightning-fast DDR4 to the cutting-edge HBM, we'll uncover the secrets that make these memory modules so vital to the overall performance of your system. You'll learn about the intricate mechanisms that govern data access and retrieval, and how these technologies have evolved to keep pace with the ever-increasing demands of modern computing. And what about storage? We'll demystify the inner workings of hard drives and solid-state drives, revealing how they store and retrieve your precious data, photos, and videos with remarkable efficiency. You'll learn about the intricate mechanisms that enable these devices to read and write data at blistering speeds, ensuring that your files are always at your fingertips. From the spinning platters of traditional hard drives to the lightning-fast flash memory of SSDs, we'll explore the cutting-edge technologies that are revolutionizing data storage. As we progress through this enthralling journey, we'll uncover the secrets of the motherboard, the backbone that connects and coordinates all the components within your computer. You'll learn about the various ports, slots, and interfaces that enable you to connect peripherals and expand your system's capabilities. But the motherboard is more than just a collection of connectors. It's a complex circuit board that acts as the central nervous system of your computer, routing data and power to the various components with precision and efficiency. We'll explore the intricate layouts and design considerations that go into creating these vital components. But that's not all. We'll also explore the fascinating world of graphics processing units, or GPUs. These specialized chips are the unsung heroes of modern computing, responsible for rendering stunning visuals and enabling immersive gaming experiences that push the boundaries of realism. From the latest ray tracing technologies to the advanced parallel processing architectures, we'll uncover the secrets that make GPUs so powerful and indispensable in today's multimedia-rich world. You'll be amazed at the sheer computational power and engineering ingenuity that goes into creating these graphics powerhouses. And let's not forget about power supplies and cooling systems, the unsung heroes that keep your computer running smoothly and efficiently, even under the most demanding workloads. We'll explore the intricate designs and technologies that ensure your system stays cool and stable, even when pushed to its limits. From advanced heatsink designs to liquid cooling solutions, we'll uncover the innovative approaches that engineers have developed to tame the heat generated by these high-performance machines. Midway through our journey, we'd like to take a moment to remind you that if you're enjoying this exploration of computer hardware, be sure to subscribe to AI Tech Underground. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the latest insights and discoveries in the world of technology, and by subscribing, you'll never miss an update. Join our growing community of tech enthusiasts and stay ahead of the curve. Together, we'll embark on a never-ending quest for knowledge, exploring the cutting edge of technology and uncovering the secrets that shape our digital world. As we continue our exploration, we'll delve into the fascinating world of computer networking, uncovering the intricate web of cables, routers, and protocols that enable seamless communication between devices and the Internet. From the latest Wi-Fi standards to the cutting-edge fiber optic technologies, we'll unravel the mysteries that make our connected world possible. You'll learn about the intricate mechanisms that govern data transmission and how these technologies have evolved to meet the ever-increasing demands of our data-hungry society. But that's not all. We'll also explore the cutting-edge realm of emerging technologies, such as quantum computing and neuromorphic chips, which promise to revolutionize the way we think about and interact with computers. These groundbreaking innovations have the potential to solve problems that were once thought to be insurmountable, and will give you a glimpse into the exciting future that lies ahead. From the mind-bending principles of quantum mechanics to the biomimetic architectures of neuromorphic chips, we'll uncover the secrets that could shape the next generation of computing. Throughout this captivating journey, we'll ensure that every piece of information is accurate and factual, drawing from the latest research and insights from industry experts. Our goal is to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of computer hardware that goes beyond mere surface-level knowledge. We'll delve into the nitty-gritty details, explaining complex concepts in a way that's easy to understand, yet still intellectually stimulating. So, buckle up and get ready to embark on an unforgettable adventure through the inner workings of computer hardware. With engaging explanations, vivid analogies, and a touch of humor, we'll make even the most complex concepts accessible and enjoyable. You'll be amazed at the ingenuity and engineering prowess that goes into creating these incredible machines. From the intricate dance of electrons to the symphony of data flow, we'll uncover the secrets that make these devices truly remarkable. And as we approach the end of our journey, we'd like to leave you with a final thought. The world of computer hardware is constantly evolving, with new innovations and breakthroughs happening every day. By understanding the fundamentals, you'll be better equipped to appreciate and embrace the technological marvels that lie ahead. You'll gain a deeper appreciation for the incredible machines that have become an indispensable part of our lives, and you'll be better prepared to navigate the ever-changing landscape of technology. Who knows what incredible advancements await us in the years to come? With a solid understanding of the principles that govern computer hardware, you'll be ready to embrace the future with open arms. So, what are you waiting for? Like this video, subscribe to AI Tech Underground, and join us on this exhilarating exploration of computer hardware. Together, we'll unlock the secrets that power our digital world and gain a deeper appreciation for the incredible machines that have become an indispensable part of our lives. Get ready to be amazed, inspired, and enlightened as we journey through the fascinating world of computer hardware. Buckle up and prepare for an adventure that will change the way you look at technology forever.